So let's talk about the properties. The properties of this basis. Okay? Properties of this basis now. So before you can say that a substance is a base, okay, those substances must meet some known properties. Okay, so before you can say that, wow, this is a base, this substance must meet some properties. And these properties can be of two types. You have the chemical properties and you have the physical properties. Okay, so let's talk about the physical properties first of all. The physical properties of bases. So number one physical property of base is that bases have bitter taste. Okay, nice. So once you test these bases, they are bitter to taste. Nice. So second property is that bases, they are slippery or soapy to touch. Nice. So when you touch these bases, they are slippery or they are soapy to touch. The physical property. Okay. So our next point is that bases, okay, they have a pH of more than 7. They have a pH of more than 7. Nice. So the pH is what? Is above 7. Above 7. Another property of bases. Okay? Nice. Also, bases, they turn red litmus to blue. Okay, so they turn red litmus to blue. Also, they turn colorless phenolphthalein to red. Okay, so you can see these two changes in these indicators. Nice. So first of all, they turn red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. Okay. Also, bases also turn colorless phenolphthalein to red phenolphthalein. Okay. Nice. So our last physical property is that concentrated bases, okay, are corrosive. Okay, they are corrosive. What do I mean by being corrosive? Okay, they have this harmful effect, like they can corrode the skin once in contact with the skin, kind of. Okay, so they are corrosive and harmful. Okay, nice. So these are the physical properties of a base. Okay. Okay. Also, you have to know that bases can be conc or dilute. Okay, a base can be what? Concentrated or dilute. Okay, if a base is concentrated, it means that it has less water. So once a base is concentrated, okay, it has less water. But if a base is dilute, it has more water. Are you following? Nice. So you have dilute and you have conc bases, depending on the water percentage of the base. So let's talk about the chemical properties of these bases now. What are the chemical features that the substance must possess for it to say that this substance is a base? So the chemical properties now. Nice. So the number one chemical property is the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Nice. So what happens here is that a base will react with an acid, okay? A base with an acid to form salt and water. Okay, so you have a base plus acid to give you salt plus water. Okay, nice. So an example here, you have sodium hydroxide plus HCl will give you sodium chloride plus H2O. Nice. So this is our base that reacts with an acid to give you a salt and a water. So this is number one chemical property of bases. Nice. So our second chemical feature of bases is that bases, they react with ammonium salt to liberate ammonia. Sodium hydroxide plus this ammonium salt give you NO3 plus water plus ammonia. Nice. So a base will always react with an ammonium salt to liberate ammonia gas. So this is the second chemical property of bases. They will always react with what? An ammonium salt to liberate ammonia. Okay, nice. So the next chemical property of base is that they react with amphoteric metals, okay, to liberate hydrogen gas. So what do I mean by amphoteric? Amphoteric. Okay, so this amphoteric nature means they have a dual nature. They can behave as acids and they can behave as base. So some metals have this feature, Example, you have aluminium, you have zinc. These are amphoteric metals. Nice. So these amphoteric metals, they react with some bases to liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, I'll also give you an equation to justify that also. So these amphoteric metals, they must react with a strong base. Okay, so a strong base can be sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So an equation for that is you have aluminium plus sodium hydroxide plus water give you so aluminium will react with a strong base to liberate a hydrogen gas. So this is one of the chemical features of bases. Okay, nice. So this feature is the reason why most bases, okay, you don't store them in such containers, in such amphoteric containers, because if you store these strong bases in such containers, you're going to elicit this reaction to liberate hydrogen gas. So these strong bases are mostly not stored in these amphoteric metallic containers.